So this is what we gotta do right here. Big old Sago. Basically, we just gotta trim it up, but. Now, for reference, I'm about 6'1", standing up, so you know, decent size. But anyways, we're gonna trim it up, make it look good.
This Sago Palm has officially crossed the line from tropical landscaping into yard security system. It's sharp, it's overgrown, and it's reaching into everything. And somewhere under all those fronds is probably a decent looking plant begging to be rescued. So today, we're cleaning it up one cut at a time, carefully, because this is the kind of plant that punishes arrogance. Watch to the end to see the full transformation. And while you're here, like the video, subscribe to the Lawn Boys, and tell us in the comments, do you like Sago Palms wild and dangerous, or clean, trimmed, and behaving themselves? Enjoy the video.
That's a wrap.
Whoa.
Oh.
There we go. What do you think, Shane?
Sun's really bright.
Yeah, I know.
4 o'clock in Florida in the wintertime.
Yeah, I know. So what do you think?
Yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. You know, kind of done with our team, our support, our Patreons.
Yep.
So make sure you hit the like and subscribe button.
Yeah, go follow our Patreon. We have some exclusives.
And you know, make sure to send us all those subs, sub-dubs.
Gotcha. Awesome.
Bye.
Huh.